Hello. So I'll be using the eCampus mobile app for the product demo. When I tap on eCampus, I log in, my official ID or username and password. I'm presented with my recently read subjects or courses. And then I have access to all my subscriptions. Then I can see the subjects or courses that are trending on eCampus. Then I can also see all the test prep related courses and subjects on eCampus. Then I see courses from consultants, teachers, and lecturers who we call fellows. So then you can see courses from businesses. So these are corporate organizations who use eCampus to manage their corporate training activities. So this is mostly private content. Then we have authors who provide their books on eCampus. And then we have freemium lifestyle content on road safety, breast cancer, data safety. And then we have other content, mostly from universities, broadcasting corporations, and other organizations who want to organize their content on eCampus. Here at the top, I can contact eCampus for assistance. I can join live question and answer sessions. And then I can go to the dashboard to see my points and see how well I'm doing. This is the real value proposition. So here, the artificial intelligence of eCampus is telling me that I am 21% compliance on my compliance assessment tests. I can go there and see the details of the topics I've done well in and the topics I need help with. So if I take a topic like customer due diligence, for example, I have read the notes 4 times. I've listened to podcasts twice. I've watched a video only once. I've done discussions only once. And then I've taken a test only once. So clearly, I know where to improve. I'll have to take more tests. I'll have to do more discussions. I have to watch more videos to improve. The same intelligence is provided for me for my test prep activities. So for social studies, for JHS, I am 5% ready for the exams with 66 points. 5% will mean I'll get an F if I should write the exams tomorrow. So I go in there to see where do I need to improve, which are the topics I'm not doing well in. So if I see a topic like adolescent reproductive health, for example, I've read only once, I've listened only once, I've watched only once, and then I've discussed twice and taken tests twice. A topic like Ghana as a nation, I've not read anything at all, I've not listened, I've not watched, I've done discussion 3 times, and I've taken tests 3 times. So I have a clear idea of where I need to improve. Then when I go to my employability assessment tests, so for employability tests for marketing jobs, I am 0% employable. So I need to improve. I have only 11 points. I go there and it tells me where I need to improve. Clearly, I haven't taken enough tests, I haven't done enough discussions, and I haven't done a lot of listening. So this gives me a fair idea of what I need to do. In case I need subscriptions to proceed, I can exchange some of my points for a month subscription or 45-day subscriptions, or a 1-day subscription. So if that goes well, I can come back here go to social studies or JHS, which is junior high school, search for the social studies subject, which is here. I can go straight to tests, but here I want to go to the courses so I can go and improve. So for the topic, Ghana as a nation, where I wasn't doing well, is under governance and politics. So there it is, Ghana as a nation. I tap on it. Then it gives me the opportunity to read, practice, discuss, and take tests. So I can take my time and read the notes. I can also practice. The idea behind practice is to help you improve your accuracy. So you're supposed to take your time and then take the test. For the purpose of the demo, I would go through quite quickly. And then I finish my test. So I got 1 out of 20. So that means additional 1 point for me. Then I can go through to get a better understanding of the questions I got correct and the ones I got wrong. If I have any issues, I can start a discussion, send a question, and then have it answered by teachers and my colleagues. Then I can take a time test. Time tests are structured around the past questions provided by the examination council. And time tests are meant to improve my speed. So here I look at the instructions, I start a test, and then I'm already timed. It gives me the same time frame of the real exams. So I'm supposed to take my time and go through it. And the objective here is to try and finish before the time or finish with more time left to increase your speed. So this is the experience eCampus gives you. I can try that with the compliance as well. So I go here to my subscription, there's compliance. I go to view courses. There's a course description. I go in there. I try the process of money laundering. I can read. I can watch the video. I can practice to improve my accuracy. I can engage in discussions, answer people's questions, ask my own questions. And then I can take a time test to have the same experience. I can move between topics to have the same experience. I read, I watch, I practice, I discuss, and I take a time test. So this is the eCampus experience. I can engage in events. There are announcements to tell me what's happening around me. And then there are lab sessions where I can use virtual reality to engage in experiments across 4 different disciplines. So with biology, for example, I can have a virtual reality tour inside the heart or through the lungs to experience how it works. Yeah, so this is eCampus, and I hope you enjoy the user experience. Thank you.